POV. You just bought a brand new Google Pixel 6a. You took it home and finished setting it up, but you don't know what first steps to use. I will show you some tips and tricks for the Google Pixel 6a. The first tip and trick is in accessibility in settings. When you click on accessibility, you'll see something called voice access. Click on it and click use voice access. Click allow, and then you'll see this button up on the top. Click it and you can control your phone. Watch this. Home. Scroll down. Camera. Home. And that's how you do it. Let's go to the next tip and trick. If you go to the camera app and go to video, you'll see this little hand right here. Click on it and you'll find video stabilization modes: standard, locked, active, or cinematic pan. You can use all these modes to improve your videography. So, if you're wondering why my room is dark right now, that's because I wanted to show you this new feature called Auto Night Sight. If you click on it, then Auto Night Sight automatically turns on. But if the room becomes bright, it goes away. So no more trying to tinker out night sight and camera. If you just see the little button right there, then you're good to go. The next tip and trick is my favorite. If you click on edit on a picture, then click tools, and then click magic eraser, then you can erase something or camouflage something. I really like to erase, so if you circle something you would like to erase, ba-bam, you just did it with no Photoshop included. Click done, save copy, and then it looks like it was never there. The next tip and trick is Google Lens is built in. So if you go to modes, Google Lens, then you'll see all these options without having to download the app. What? It's really nice. And those were all my tips. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Subscribe and like.